Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. My name is Basant and in today's video we are going to learn the SubString function in the Oracle EDMCS application, that is Enterprise Data Management. Okay, so let's start. So we will move on to our application, that is EDMCS application, and in the particular case I already defined my applications and I made a master view. So I will show you that. So in this video, we are just using one master view, which will have an ERP application and one the EPM application, that is FCCS. So let's click on the side-by-side view and yeah. So in the left-hand side, you can see we have a custom application and it have account hierarchy. Okay, account dimension it have, and in the right-hand side we have the FCCS application, which have account dimension. Okay. So so what is substring function? I will firstly show you that and explain you that. Okay, so in substring function basically we have one string. Suppose we have description, let's say. Okay, and in description we suppose we have USA region. Okay, and suppose I want the region, suppose I want USA to come in the alias in the target application. Okay, so I will use a substring function and I will get the desired output as USA only. So it will just eliminate this region and it will only give us uh, the string as USA only. So this we will do with the substring function. Okay, so let's build the expression. So our custom application is the source and FCCS accounts is the target. So we will have to give the expression in the target application. So first we click on the inspect and then we have to define the converters. So the node type we have accounts and converter I already defined for faster calculation and our faster working. So as you can see we have accounts. Custom application 9 is the custom application we are using. So let's click on edit and we go to alias and click on transform in the operation column. Okay, then we click on the fx icon, okay, to define the expression. So I click on it and we want to return the value or any text for a string as, so we'll choose a statement as written. Okay, and then we will define the source node. Then we'll select the name, because in this case I'm going to use the name to use in the substring. So click on the substring. Okay, so it is asking to start index and asking for the length. So I will click like I will select the start index as 0 because I want to take the text from the initial. Okay, and length I will choose as 5. Okay, and in this I'm also using the concat function because I want to concat with the account type. So I want name and account type to come in the alias. So I will select the source node, then select the properties, then I will select the account type as a property. So this is the full expression we are going to give in this. So click apply, then click save. Okay, and close it. So the expression, the view is modified, so it is reloading. So okay, let's again click on the side by side view. So in the left hand side we have the custom accounts. Okay, and it is the source too, and we want to whatever metadata we are just creating or we will just transfer to the FCS accounts. Okay, so I will just make one account in the cache and cache equivalent. Okay, and under this let's first make one new request. So I will add a child to it. Go to this and click add child, and I will name the account as cache 04. Description, if you want to give any description we can give that. Let's select accounts ERP, and account type I will give as asset. Okay, so click submit. So after quickly adding one account in this, let's open it first. And we will drag this account to in the cache equivalent of the FCC's application. Okay. So first I will show you the hierarchy. We have balance sheet and the FCCS, then total balance sheet, traditional approach, and we have total balance sheet, cash and non-cash, and under this we have total cash. Under total cash we have cash and cash equivalents, and in this we are going to add this account, that is cash 04. Okay, so let's click on new request and send this. So I will just grab this account and drag and drop to the cash and cash equivalents. Okay, so here it is, and let's see what we are getting in the alias. So we are getting cash dash asset, because we have given the expression as name, whatever comes in the name, with the start value of 0 and length is 5, and with that we want whatever comes in the account type will get merged, will get concat with this. So this was the substring function, and we are getting the correct result in the alias. So let's submit it. Okay, let's see we are getting the account or not. Yeah, it is there, and you can see we are getting the correct desired result for our use case. So thank you for watching this video. This was the case for the substring function, and if you want more of it, stay connected to BSP Solutions. Thank you.